You guys, this is bomb. Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So today we're gonna be making a dish inspired by the Netflix series Street Foods. And I've been super obsessed with the show, and today we're gonna be doing Singaporean chili crab. So we're gonna start by boiling the crab. So as you can see, I already put the crab into the boiling water. There's really no technique to it, it's just hot water and the crab. We're just cooking it because I like to have it cooked that way. It's easier for me to handle. So when I take it apart and I put away the crab fat and everything, it's a nice cleaner cut for me. So that's it. And then after we take it out from the water, after about 5 minutes, we're gonna put it into an ice bath. You can see the ice water right there. And then we're gonna bring it back and take it apart, cut it up, and then it's ready to stir fry. Alright guys, so it's been about 5 minutes. As you can see, I took the crabs out and I put them in an ice bath. Now I'm gonna show you how to take it apart and break it down. So first, I'm gonna have this here to save my crab fat. And we're just gonna open it up. There goes one claw. I'm going to save the shell for later. This right here is not edible, so I'm just gonna pull it off and leave it off to the side. I'm gonna break off this part. I'm gonna break off one of the claws over here, and I'm just gonna cut it in half. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna remove this part of it. And we're just gonna cut it in half. And trim off this part. And I think this is big enough or small enough, a good size. I'm not even gonna cut this in half. I'm gonna put it into this bowl. I'm gonna also rinse this part out just so it's a nice cleaner and you can see the white meat. So now we're gonna rinse the excess stuff and have it clean, and then we're ready to stir fry. Okay, so as you can see, I rinsed it again, and now it's nice and clean for stir frying. We want to make sure our pan is nice and hot. Nice and hot, and then we're going to add some peanut oil. We have some peanut oil, kind of coat the pan. And then we're going to add some garlic, ginger, and it's julienne ginger that's pretty thin, and some shallots. We're gonna cook that until it's a nice golden brown color. So while this is still going, I'm just gonna use one of these little bowls and get my egg ready. And the egg is for the very end. I'm just gonna whisk it and set it aside. All right, as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit of color. And then we're gonna add the crab. We're gonna save the shell still, so we're just gonna use the legs. Toss in that garlic. Now we're gonna hit it with some chicken broth. Now I'm going to add some tomato paste. Some chili bean sauce. Just about 2 heaping spoonfuls. and then some crab paste. Crab paste in. And the cool thing about the chili bean paste is it's gonna really tie in all the flavors, and you're gonna get that umami-ness later. As you can see, it's also a nice red color. And now I'm going to add cornstarch. This is just a mixture of cornstarch and water, and it's gonna be our thickening agent. I'm just gonna drizzle some of that in there and see how much we need. Honestly, it just depends on how saucy you like it, how thick you want your sauce. So this is a little thick, but I like it a little thicker, so I'm just gonna finish it off with the rest. And then once that is all combined and cooked down, we are going to turn off the heat and stir in the egg, and we are ready for plating. All right, that looks just about ready, and we're out. So now that we have our Singaporean chili crab ready, before I plate it, I also didn't mention that I added the shells back in just so that it was coated in the sauce, and it's just purely for aesthetics purposes and for just the plating and how it's gonna look. All right, this smells so good. I wish you guys can smell it. So here I have some julienne green onions that I'm just gonna throw over. And then some cilantro over here that I'm just going to pick at. And there you have it, Singaporean chili crab. All right, I'm ready to try this. Got a claw right here. Just gonna lick the sauce. I just got like a really piece of ginger that was really good. You guys, this is bomb. Now I gotta get inside the crab. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm just my teeth. I'm sorry, this is so hard. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you think about today's recipe. Also, let me know what else you want to see me make. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell, and see you next time.